Tuesday, there's a Havoc Soul game, and that's what I'm packing for. And then this weekend, or Monday, I guess, there's a company fishing trip in Port A. So the plan is for me to go to the Havoc game, hang out with the homies after the game, and then in the morning, Sunday, one of my coworkers will take me to Port A. That way I don't need to drive my own car. Yeah, so that's why I packed. And this is the bag that I use for Guatemala. It's like perfect. So I'll only be there for like 2 days. We come back on Tuesday, I think. So easy money. But yeah, that's what we're getting into so far. How you doing? Yes, sir. Got out of the Uber. Now pulling up to Jake's place. Uber was pretty chill, but
yeah. What's up, Chief? What's up, baby?
What's up, Chief? Likewise. We got here earlier, and I talked to eBay for a bit, talked to Matt Bennett for a bit, said hi to the guys over there, said to Drew, and then we got ready for the game, got scrimmaging done, warm-ups, and now we're about to do the national anthem and disc flip and whatnot. My mic running low on battery, so I don't know if I'll have any audio. Maybe, I will, but we'll see.
If they're guarding back.
Hard to settle up, climb your canopy to make it rain from time to time. Tell me things I don't wanna know, say everything's fine, everything.
I believe. I believe. That we what? Clean. I believe. Oh, yeah.
Tight, Jake!
One of my top 3.
Oh!
Nice for D, Reese. Nice D, Reese.
Reese motherfucking Bowman! Reese Bowman! Tuba, too deep, come all the way! All the way, Tuba! All the way!
Tuba!
Joey, go get his fucking ball. Do it, no way. Too deep! On your backs! You're too deep! You're too deep! Yes. Yeah. Tuba loves catching camels. Back up. Souls back up a little bit as the ref gets here. Go, Rich. Go, Bex.
Oh no.
Go, Bex. Go, Bex.
Bex!
Yeah, Reese! God, they're not even looking to the brake side.
Yeah, boy!
What's up, Matt? What's up, bud? What's up, Mark? What's up, you, bud?
Holes in the way back? I just do both because I don't have holes.
So Soul won 25 to 15, I think, and now gonna hang out with Didi, Julio, Tiny, and whoever's in Houston. I don't know what we're doing yet, but we're gonna get crazy. So that's the plan.
I was like, ah! I think so. Eat it!
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open